My life at home has definitely changed because I'm here a lot more. Normally I would be out on weekends, visiting family, visiting friends, and I've enjoyed the extra time at home and trying to get some gardening done, home baking and home improvements. I've loved trying it, but I haven't been successful so far. A moment that stands out was the Chase the Rainbow activity. So it was really lovely to see that, and it brought some joy to the staff and the passengers. There was a passenger who crocheted a Translink hero wear, and she wants to donate that to staff to give to one of their kids as a sign of appreciation for their hard work. So I'm in regular contact with my colleagues. We have been able to support each other very well because we are all in the same boat, so it's good that we have each other. I'm really looking forward to visiting my family back home in Derry and also having them come visit me.